Alright guys, I got a Performax Oscillating Spindle Sander from Menards. So I'm going to open it up, set it up, and see how it works. Have the instructions. Alright, here it is. It has a nice solid top. It's pretty light. Has a power switch there. It's got a pull-out lock and holes and slots for all the stuff that comes with it. I'm going to be mounting it eventually to a table. Here's these inserts for the various drums. Various washers and actual sanding drums. Now I got this because I'm working on this sword holder, and I couldn't sand inside here, so I got this so that I would be able to sand inside these small diameter circles. This is the template for it. Now all these pieces will fit in the different areas. Alright, so you put the rubber piece, the abrasive piece, a washer above that, and then this is reverse thread. Then you put this insert. It does have dust collection. I want to power it on and see how it goes. Put the wrong washer on there. that's it. It seems like it's gonna work pretty well. I'm gonna finish making this. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.